busy day today. See how much stuff we can get done. I gotta track to see how the sun lays in here, because we're gonna try to hook up our solar. I gotta build a pedestal right there, I'm thinking. So we'll see. I'd like to put in a pole with a tracker so we can track that sun across. But yeah, this is it, man. Tear down some more of the cabin. So.
Okay, we are on to the next project, which is putting the ramper room up. This is some prefabbed walls Dwayne built that will go onto the ATV ramp door over there, that we're gonna work on getting level and prepped for the walls. So stay tuned and see how this becomes a room. Why do they have an angle?
It's just for looks. Rounds it out underneath there instead of have square box frame, and it's got overhangs of the posts that adds extra support. It's just
Oh, okay. Okay, cutting 12-inch pieces for the vertical support. Ooh, the walls are up. Next, we'll put on the roof. And I'll show you how it's all secured. So there's these giant screws that screw into the floor, and then the floor has the bolts or whatever those things are that come up under the floor and keeps the floor from moving. Here he comes. Look at the size of that screw.
found one.
Where is it going? Oh, up there?
Yeah. Oh, shoot. Now I need the chair. It's not going nowhere.
Super tight. Looking good. Good job, honey.
Yeah, just enough room to slide the roof in and couple the walls.
Okay, it's the final fitting.
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be this heavy. It was supposed to be one of those just fold up little things that one person can do, but I wanted it to last, so.
I think I got it on this side.
It's all the way tight out there. All I gotta do is screw it down.
What about this?
Doesn't matter. All it's gonna have a whole new clamshell on here. Put the insulation behind here. Right up in here. This comes off probably with the insulation.
Okay. The roof is on. We just have the final insulation securing flange to do from the inside. And then we will start insulating it and finishing this room at a later date. Good job, honey.